London on a budget, best affordable hotels you should know. London is one of the world's most iconic cities, rich in history, bursting with culture, and alive with energy day and night. But with that reputation comes a high cost of living, often discouraging budget-conscious travelers from exploring its cobbled streets and historic landmarks. Fortunately, affordable accommodation in London is not only possible, but more accessible than you might think. Traveling to London on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. In fact, some of the city's most charming stays are nestled in neighborhoods that combine affordability with character. From boutique hostels to budget chains and independent gems, you can enjoy a full London experience without draining your wallet. Start with neighborhoods slightly outside central London, places like Camden, King's Cross, Paddington, or Shoreditch. These areas are well connected by the tube, offer plenty of local flavor, and tend to host more competitively priced hotels. The Point A Hotels chain, for instance, has multiple locations across the city and is known for clean, compact, and modern rooms at affordable rates. Similarly, Yodel London Clerkenwell delivers futuristic comfort with smart design, perfect for solo or business travelers. For travelers seeking a more communal and creative vibe, hostels like the Walrus near Waterloo or Wombat City Hostel in Whitechapel provide vibrant atmospheres and social spaces without compromising cleanliness or safety. These options often include perks like free walking tours, shared kitchens, and even pubs on site. Looking for a more personalized touch? Many independent B&Bs in areas like Notting Hill and Greenwich offer cozy stays and include breakfast, often with owners who double as local guides. Platforms like Booking.com and Agoda allow you to filter by budget, rating, and location, making it easier to uncover these hidden treasures. When booking, flexibility is key. Weekends and holidays drive up prices, so consider weekday stays or shoulder seasons like late spring and early autumn. Booking in advance and signing up for hotel newsletters can also help you catch exclusive discounts or last-minute deals. London may have a reputation for being expensive, but with a bit of research and the right strategy, you can sleep well and spend smart. Why overspend on accommodation when that money could be better used discovering the secrets of one of Europe's most exciting capitals? What's your go-to budget-friendly hotel in London, or is there one you've been dying to try?